What's up, YouTube? Hey, look, we finna do a hot wing challenge, or a hot chicken strender challenge, or whatever. We finna find a hot sauce right now. I don't know what we finna get. But we'll tell y'all when we get it, alright? Alright, YouTube. So look, we got the flavors and stuff. We finna put them in these bags. Here you go, mix them up, and then we go eat them, you know, one by one. From the mild to the hottest one. Alright, so look. Here go the ghost pepper sauce. I'm gonna put it up in the bag right now.
That's a lot.
I think that's enough.
Yeah, that's a lot.
I think that's enough because we ain't trying to die. You feel me? Damn. Here go the spicy barbecue. If I can open it. There you go. This one up in the bag. But
I said, ooh.
Ooh. Mama, I ain't gonna lie, Mama. All this stuff smelling spicy.
You smell spicy too.
You feel me? It's so spicy. Alright, so look. And this one, this the habanero, mango habanero. You feel me? No. Don't laugh if I cry, y'all, because this stuff hot.
You can smell it?
Mama, I can smell it. I ain't gonna lie, this one smell good, but the other ones, they smell hot. So, here go the three. We gonna be eating, bro. That's still gonna be nasty. So good. I don't know, but I know it's gonna be hot.
Y'all ready to eat the whole?
Huh?
Y'all ready to eat the whole?
I don't know, Mom. I ain't gonna lie. If it's too hot, Mom, I'm not eating the whole one. Because it's ghost pepper, and that's habanero. You remember them chips that we ate the other day? That was hot anyway. So, I don't know.
That was ghost pepper.
So you gonna put the whole thing in there and dip it in, shake it in, or you gonna dip it?
We gonna shake it.
I'm dipping.
Nah, bro, you gotta shake it just like I shake it. We both have the same amount of heat, so all the moistures can get inside the chicken, like these, and then you know what I'm talking about. Then we go crazy. You can stop it now. All right, y'all, look. Come here. All right, so look, we're gonna start with the spicy barbecue. We're gonna start with the spicy barbecue. Like this. So, everybody, get your chicken nuggets, your chicken strip.
Courtesy of your mom cooking them.
Oh, thank you, Mama. Put your head in the camera. Put your head in the camera for a second. Woo woo.
Can I come on?
Alright, so about to mix it up like these. And we gonna do this.
Let me give you something.
Yeah, give me some, Mama.
You want a glove?
Yeah, glove. Alright, well, like this.
Supposed to be able to fit everything.
So look. Go up in here. Here go yours, man.
Oh. I just want to see the first one before I go to bed. I have to go to work.
Here go Millie. Here go mine. Alright, y'all, so we gonna all have to eat at the same time.
Plastic out the way so she can be seen too.
We gonna all have to eat it
Get over somewhere so you can be
at the same time. Come on.
seen.
Alright.
Pick it up. Small.
Come on. Get ready? Get set? Go.
It must not be that hot.
I ain't that hot. It ain't that hot.
Which one
It
was
ain't that
that?
hot. This was the barbecue.
That's the one you did first?
Yeah, I want to start it off easy, Mama. Because the other ones I know hot. Actually kind of good.
Eating it up.
Hi, Bernie. Why am I
What kind is that short for the camera?
I
You
heard.
got that for HEB, right?
Yeah. HEB. You know, I ain't really out there. I ain't really out there, but y'all could sponsor me if y'all really just like me. I'm from Houston. You hear
That's
me?
my favorite stuff.
Alright. Next wing, we doing mango habanero.
Yeah, worm over there
And
burning.
this gonna kill me.
That burn worm.
It started to get kind of hot.
Can I get some of my drink?
Come on, worm.
What you want? Some water?
Yeah, we need water. We
need
need bottled
water,
water, everybody.
Oh, wow. That's
It starts to get kind of hot after a while,
Cause you don't got hot. It's always extra hot.
Alright.
Alright.
They feel that one is kind of high.
Oh no, this one hot.
It ain't hot. It's just
Hot.
Now this one,
kind of
Hot.
hot. So
Now this one works.
mango habanero.
it's about to be burnt.
I'm really not ready.
Y'all ready?
No, can I get some drink first?
I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
You
Eat
thirsty.
Alright, YouTube, like I said, we on the mango habanero one. Right here. And the scale, this says dumb hot. So alright, we gonna eat it. 3,
2,
2, 1.
Oh, my baby. How it tastes?
It ain't hot.
It's like,
Hey,
it's, sweet.
hot,
It's like a little sweet,
Tastes like hot sauce.
Yeah.
but it's hot. You
It ain't
tripping.
hot.
You
We have to take
tripping.
hot stuff.
Jojo, nah.
You
nah,
can take that egg too. I know you remember.
I'm waiting for somebody's nose to start running. That ain't hot enough.
It ain't hot
Y'all
enough.
still smiling.
But I still can eat it.
Y'all still smiling. Oh. Oh. You know what that means.
But I'm a soldier. That hot sauce ain't hard enough for
A
me.
nose.
Yeah. See,
Ghost pepper.
this is the rose pepper. And this the last one we do it. I can't do no more after this. I ain't gonna eat a lot to you. That habanero. Come on.
Got your nose over there. Your nose running?
Oh.
Your eyes running.
My eyes ain't running. They ain't got to run yet.
We got the last
I'm
one.
gonna say that small one here is. Let you remember.
That's my weird.
Okay, that's enough. You massaging it in there.
You
Oh
trying
my
to kill
God.
us. Cause that's
You know
what.
what I'm
That's,
saying?
I'm gonna check you in there.
I'm gonna make sure you eat all yours too.
Oh man, I'm a soldier.
The small one.
I
running.
know what you.
I don't know which one's small. I'm gonna guess
Small
this one. This is small.
Give me the smallest one.
What's the one smaller?
This one. Right here. Nope. Too big. Too thick.
That one thick, so I'll give you that one.
Ooh, take that one. Go ahead. You give me that one.
What did you do?
I don't know. I'm tripping.
Run me some water.
All right,
You better get some. Oh, you still
All
got
right.
something in there.
look.
Wait.
This the last one. Like I said,
Come on, get in the challenge.
it's ghost pepper. I ain't gonna lie. I'm really trying to make sure. I'm really trying to make sure that
That will die.
I'm really trying to. I'm really
That's
trying.
me tomorrow.
I'm really trying to.
Y'all ready?
You
Run,
know,
get your
take my
stuff.
time.
Get your stuff.
That my mouth already burning.
Get your food. Get your wings.
You ready?
Get yours.
Come on.
Get yours.
All right,
So
y'all. Put your head in the camera, man. I ain't gonna count. Everybody got to eat at the same time.
Y'all want,
Make sure you don't get on my shirt.
cause this shirt white.
3,
2,
2,
Who that playing today?
1.
1, 0.
What is going on? Y'all, I'll stop on that one. That must have been too hot. Can't eat.
Too hot. It's over hot.
Mama.
Milk time.
That boy take milk time.
Bro, you don't understand,
Oh,
mama.
it smells.
You don't understand, mama. My
God.
lip.
It's the smell.
My lip.
My lip ain't right.
Your lip.
My
Where you
tongue
going? Don't go nowhere.
Bro, give me ice cream.
What
Ice
you
cream.
Okay, ice cream. Mom, get us ice cream.
Okay.
Mama.
Mama. Got hurt. All right.
Mama, just throw it. Throw it.
Stop. Stop.
Throw it.
Kitchen.
I'm not pissed off the ice cream. Move that water bottle. You ain't recording with
Oh, it's still hot.
It's like ice cream.
Hey, dog, you want some?
No, don't get it down there.
It's still hot.
Nothing I can do for y'all. This is my bedtime. On that cue. Enjoy your night.
Mama.
No, ain't nothing I can do
I
for you.
can't talk.
Look, you making a mess. Really? Manny, look at your face.
It's hot.
Don't scream.
Just don't tell them what.
Hey, y'all.
Tell them.
Let's say peanut butter work to cool down your mouth.
Yo, my mama looked it up.
So. You know, I gotta put the pan. It's still hot to you?
Hold it. No, it's just my nose. Hold it up in your mouth.
Yeah,
Just
hold
chew the
it.
peanuts and hold it up in your mouth. Like hold it for like 20 seconds. Then like your house ain't gonna be that.
I ain't gonna lie, at this time I was pissed as hell, bro. He told me that it wasn't gonna be hot, but this shit was still hot.
Like you know hot sauce hot. Like my mouth's still
My
hot.
lips burning, bro. I don't know what they talking about.
My lips burning still right now. Your lips burning?
No.
My lips burning.
It's like dry. Oh, it ain't hot. It ain't hot.
I know.
My mouth ain't hot, but my lips still is.
Yeah,
Oh, this ain't hot.
my lips like dry.
I'm gonna tell y'all right now. I'm gonna do this because I want somebody to give me beats by 1,000 followers on Instagram. I will eat the rest of this thing.
Yeah, you can't do that.
I can't do that.
Right now. Finish this one right now.
Now I'm finishing mine.
Finish this one right
Finish
now.
mine.
If you finish this right now, I give you as many shout outs as many days as you want.
Yours big though.
That's the point.
Yeah, that's the point.
All right, get my spoon for my peanut butter real quick. Give me a bottle of water and I'm ready. This shit's super hot.
Is that ass? Like,
Hey, stop! Get from behind my back.
Come on, okay.
Oh, 5 minutes? 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 seconds, I mean.
Nah. 20 seconds.
20 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
And then I get my peanut butter. Put my peanut butter on the spoon first. Gotta be ready.
How many ever followers you need?
I need about 2,000. The 2,000.
Melly, I'm telling you. I will.
Oh, and the smell is toxic.
I'll shut you up whenever you want.
Did you just break the spoon?
Yes, I broke the spoon, bro.
did you break the spoon?
I don't know. There go your peanut butter.
Alright, alright.
That. Cheat.
Ow!
One.
Boy!
2. Mississippi. 3. Mississippi. 4. 3 Mississippi. 4, 4, 5 Mississippi. 5, 4, 3 Mississippi. 6, 7, 8.
Not for count, because it's the
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Bro, oh God, I'm a quit.
One,
You don't shout me out.
1, 3, 6, 9.
Stop for though. My 20 minutes over with.
9, 6, 3, 20 minutes.
No, 20 seconds. They over with.
Oh, she like an eating monster. Oh my God. Well, she's something crazy, you feel me? I don't know how she did that. I'll give you a shout out right after this. But yeah, bro, she crazy. Now look, it burning. But like I said, try this one time. You gonna be over with. I hope y'all enjoyed this mini banger. You feel me? Had to go done for y'all. I'm telling you, I'm uploading almost every day now. Well, every 2 days. And, you know, like, share, subscribe, comment, tell me what I need to do next. You keep telling me, I'm gonna do everything y'all need. Simple. So tell me what y'all need to do, what I need to do next. And we gonna be back with another video tomorrow. Simple.